Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Revisit Infopedia. My name is Asif Nawaz. I'm working as a software professional in one of the MNC from last 8 years as a technical specialist. As per my qualification, I did my MCA. So today we are going to discuss on model set question of 2022 for 10 and 11 and 12 class of computer science. So as we know, our TRE BPSC TRE 3.0 examination is nearing, and from last two examination, we have noticed lot of question they are asking directly from this model set question. So previously we have discussed the model set question for 2023. Today we are going to discuss the model set question for 2022. So we have total 70 question. Okay, so we will be try to complete half of them, like 35 of question from here. So let's start. The first question is which of which one is non-linear data structure? Linear, non-linear data structure, you know already. Okay, in the linear data structure we have the things in the sequential order. Okay, like we can access the things in the sequential order. Okay, so if you want to, if this is array, okay, if you want to access some of the element from here, okay, we can access sequentially only. Okay, so array is one of the example of sequential data structure. Queue is one of the example of sequential data structure. Stack is also one of the example of sequential data structure, because for queue and stack implementation we mainly use the arrays, or sometimes we use the linked list also, that is also sequential data structure. Stack is the keyword. Okay, so non-linear data structure is tree. Answer is B. Int p. Okay, in this p is an variable, int is the data type, and p is the variable. The answer is C, variable. Char is data type, is not a constant, is not a function, either operator also, it is data type. So we know multiple data type we have: char, int, float, double. Okay, so all these things we have. Math.h. Okay, wherever we have .h, that is header file. Okay, that we will include on the top of the program. So we'll be including like has include math.h, has include coding.h. Okay, so whatever the set of code and set of function and set of classes we have written out here in the math.h file, we can reuse in our program. Okay, so that's what we are including in the has include math.h, and it is header file. Which one is the DML command? Okay, we have different kind of command. We have DDL, we have DML, we have DCL. Okay, we have DQL also, and we have TCL. Okay, DDL mainly we will be using when we have anything we are changing on the structure of table, like we are creating the table. Okay, or we are altering the structure of the tables. Okay, so or we are dropping the table. Okay, so that time if we are making some changes in the structure of the table, there we are using DDL command. If you are making some changes in the data, okay, in the content of the table, okay, there we will be using DML command. Okay, and we have DCL. Okay, a data control language. Okay, so data control language we'll be using when we are controlling some data, and DQL we are using mainly when we are doing some queries, select queries. Okay, that time we are using uh, uh, DQL. And for TCL, okay, transaction control language, like if we have inserted something, we want to do the commit. Okay, and if once we did the commit, we want to roll back the things. Okay, so we have commit, rollback, all this thing that is coming in the TCL. Okay, so DML, which one is the DML command? The update is the DML command out here. One dimensional array may have, so one dimensional array will be like this. Okay, so if we'll see, we have one row and 1, 2, 3, 4 column. Okay, so one dimensional array has both row and column, so D is the answer. Which one is an input function of a stack? Okay, if you'll declare a stack like this, we have mainly two operation. One is push, other is pop. Push is for inserting, pop is for deleting. So they are asking the input function that we are it is push. The answer is B. Aggregation, as the name suggests, it is summarization. So answer is A. Overloading is the future of. Okay, so we know we have the polymorphism. Okay, and in the polymorphism we have static binding, dynamic binding, or compile time and runtime. Okay, so we have function overloading, function overriding. So polymorphism is the future of object-oriented programming language. So overloading and overriding also will be the future of object-oriented programming language. Then answer is D, object-oriented programming. Indexing. Indexing we are using in the database. Okay, not for designing the object, creating the object, instantiation of the object. Nowhere we are using it. So answer is not related to with object. It is related to database. Which of the following is the associated with logic gate? Okay, logic gate we know, and or NOR, XOR, we have everything. Okay, for is loop, break also we are using. We are breaking from the loop. Okay, so and is associated with logic gate. Number system used to represent quantity. Answer is this. So the expression A into B plus B into C plus A into C. So if you see this, we have sum and we have the product. Okay. So plus is sum, A into B is the product. Okay. So this expression is sum of product. Answer is B, SOP. Which one is not related to DML command in SQL? Okay. So just now we have discussed. Okay. So update is also related to DML command because we are updating some data. Delete is also related to DML command because we are deleting the content. Okay, we are not dropping the table. So wherever we are modifying some content, that time we will be using DML. If we are modifying or creating some structure of the table, we will be using DCL. So these things is DML command. Select is DQL. Okay, but sometimes the select also we treat as a DML command. So which one is not DML command? The grant is not a DML command. So answer is D. Which of the following SQL command is used to enter the data? Okay, if you are to enter data, insert data, we are using insert. Okay, for creating table, we are using create. For fetching some data from the table, we are using select. To update the content, okay, we are using update. Which one is an operating system? LAN, NIC, WW, none of this. No one is the operating system. We have DOS, Windows, all these things. Okay. Which one of the following is not used in the LAN? Okay. Coaxial cable also we are using. Copper wire also we are using. OFC also we are using. UTP we are not using it. Okay. The answer will be UPT. Answer will be A. Which one of the following is the valid topology of computer? We have different topology: bus topology, star topology. We don't have any cable, and cable is not a topology, it's just a cable. Hub also is a device, okay, so it's not a topology. NIC is also not a topology. A star is the topology. The answer is C. Integer is an built-in data type. It is built-in data type. Answer is A. List is in an derived data type. The answer is A. Object is instance, design, data type, operator, so object is instance. Aim of the ops is to integrate. So in mainly in the ops we used to integrate the data and the function. Okay, whatever the data we have and the whatever the manipulation or anything we will be doing on the data, that we used to call a function or method. So aim of the ops is to integrate function and data. you know encapsulation we say once we are binding data and function in one header, that we are calling encapsulation also. So that way you can identify it is data and function. Oops function is also known as actor method. Function we call as a method, so answer will be B. POS, just now we have discussed the POS is product of sum, so answer is C. Domain type is an entity name, so answer is D. Linker, we have linker, loader, compiler, these all the things is the system software. Okay, it's not a protocol. Protocol we have HTTP, it's not application, it's not a topology, it's a system software. So linker, loader and compiler, wherever you will get, that is a system software. CDMA is related to computer network, answer is A. KG is unit measure for, mainly we will be using it for bandwidth, but I need to check this answer. Okay, but mostly it is bandwidth. Virus is application software, it's not a system software, it's not a device, non-process, just application software. Cyber law is related to, okay, whatever the hacker doing some crime, or they are hacking your account and getting some data from your account, or they are manipulating something. So for that we have the law. Okay, we do have different kind of hacking. We have the ethical hacking also. Okay, and that government used to hire some guy to do the ethical hacking. So cyber law they have created, okay, to prevent any data illegal data mining or any illegal data phasing. For that we have the online fraud and criminal control, so we have created the cyber law for online fraud and criminal control. So answer is D. Max, as the name suggested, it will take the highest value. The answer is A. Okay, we'll go on. 35, 32, 31, 32. Pointer is denoted with the symbol. As we all know, pointer is denoted with this symbol, a star. Like clause help to dash table data. Okay, so we are using this like. Okay, assume we have to get the name list of name that is started with A. Okay, so what we will do, select a star from table, whatever the table name, where name like will be giving something like this. Okay, A inside. Okay, so whoever is started with where, they will give that data. So it is using to filter the data from the table. So answer is C. DOS is an operating system. Fine. Min function used to return, as the name suggested, lowest value. Okay, so we have completed 35 question. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss next 35 question. Okay, so please stay connected and please like and subscribe my videos, and thank you so much for watching.